In the field, you may need access to calibration and service verification documents. With OneKey, you can store and get these documents in the app, wherever you might be. This feature makes for a time-saving recall when you need it most. In this video, we'll show you how to securely store and organize your service records using OneKey. From your inventory, select the item you wish to add a service record to. Under your item's info, you'll see a service records and uploads card, as well as a total service card. Click the blue Add button to add your service or calibration documentation. Select Service Date. Here you'll see a calendar where you can select the date your item was serviced. Now select the repair type. You can choose from calibration, inspection, maintenance, repair, or other. Add in the service buy info, service cost, and any other notes you wish to add. You can also upload any supporting documents for this service record. Once you've added all the information, click the Save button. A confirmation will appear. Back on the item's dashboard, you'll now see you have one service record saved, and you've spent $15 in repairs on this item so far. Click the View button. This is where all of your records will be stored. From here you can add a new record, edit previous records, or delete saved records. Save time and clutter by digitally storing all your documents within OneKey. For more helpful tips like this, please subscribe below and click on another video to keep watching.